got it. Oh my God, Jim, look at that cloud right there. Okay, I thought it was spinning.
Ooh, I got lightning.
What?
I think I got lightning on camera.
Oh, you did? That's awesome.
I hope so.
No, it's good, Jason.
We're not done yet.
Right, everybody, run around except for April.
Oh, I got another one.
We're getting lightning. Why? We're getting lightning here, baby. Why do we have to run around in a circle? So you don't get shocked. I can hear thunder, but I can't see it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Thunder again? Run, Jacob, run! You want to get hit by lightning?
Oh, I got that one. I got it.
This is a big thunderbolt. With a cool spire, it came and hit the road over there. Come on, guys.
I think I hear your mom calling.